This could be qualified as rock mating. It almost looks like one of those heads from Easter Island. May have seen in a video or two from, I don't know, earlier this year, I think it was. My brother bought some property up near Coruscant, and this is actually my first camping trip up there. I'm going to meet him up there, and we're spending the night. I got my truck bed tent in the back, which has been featured only one time on a previous video. It's right here. Check out that video. I was back on the ranch grinding calves with some friends and family. But going back out to camp and work on a little bit of, well, the last video I did, he had only bought one section of property right there with no buildings on it. But then he talked to a neighbor that was right next to it, and he had some old buildings and like an old cabin and stuff up there. So he bought that too. So we're gonna do some work, tear down the old, and hopefully, eventually, renovate to where we have a new cabin, or maybe just an RV sitting right there. So it should be fun. So get this evening going. I'm going to meet him up at the Thunderbird bar for a beer, and then we're going to go set up camp. So we'll see how much light I have and see if I can even record. So that's what we got, old son.
Because it's not showing any oil on it. Can I get a dipstick extension? I think you're out of oil.
Nothing like a burger and some beer right here at the Thunderbird Inn. Alright, just got done at the Thunderbird Inn. First time we ever been there. The thunder turned out. Jason, was it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
That was alright.
Or was it thumbs to the side? Well, good morning. Here we are on the little ledge where we parked our trucks last night at the camp. Here, I'll get my mug out of the way and give you an idea of what's going on here. There's yours truly's. Kind of a mess in there right now, but this is what's this thing called? Joey Totus. Truck bed tent, I guess you could say. I'll zip this up real quick to show the beauty of it. Maybe. So she looks like all closed up. She's a good tent. Got a little brisk last night, down in the low 50s, which is ain't real bad, but that's a bit brisk. And Jason got a topper on top of his truck there. So he slept inside that. Here's the place right here that Jason bought on the last video you seen. The other property is over beyond that rock right there. It's on the other side. So this place right here has all the old structures and stuff, which we got a bunch of trash, of which Jason already started some. Here, as you can see, there's a lot to clean up here. And then here's a fireplace that we could put to good use. Some started kindling. So this building right here is like a water tank building that he started. That's a big old tank right in there, so maybe we can put that to good use somehow. There's a generator right there. And this little structure over here is what Jason's cleaning out right now. What could be the frame for a very nice cabin. Don't know how many people could sleep in here, but it'd be a nice little relaxing spot. Big old window. Man, you're right, that window is gigantic.
It's a mess.
But what's about to be a non-mess.
Might take a few years, but it will be a non-mess.
Is that cabin there movable, or does that have to stay right there?
No, it's built on stilts.
Oh, it is? Well, that's going to be the cabin in the woods, folks, hopefully. One thing about this place here is there's aspen trees everywhere. This place is going to be a beauty to behold. Right now it's even pretty. Wait till a month from now.
The land is overgrown, the slum of heroes, while mortals and the gods, untouched by sorrow, for they have taken oath to avoid the toil that others live below.
We got a load of junk in the back of here. This is the first load to go out, right, Jason, or is this the second load to go out?
First load that I've taken out.
And here's more stuff. Look at all that. Got the baby carriage. Taking the load of junk in the back. Jason has a load of junk in his to the transfer station up here in Divide.
The land is overgrown, the slum of heroes, while mortals and the gods, untouched by sorrow, for they have taken oath to avoid the toil that others live below, to beg and borrow. Beg and borrow.
Truck is bare. Wouldn't be a complete trip up here without a visit to the famous Paradise Cove. Jason's gonna make a entry into the water and attempt to see how chilly it is. A couple people actually jump, and it surprises me. It's so shallow, but maybe it's not as shallow as one might think. This young lady here is gonna go, I think. Nice. Success. Jason's taking full advantage of the pool, taking a shower. Must be very nice. There's a trick, ladies and gentlemen. See your face behind it. This is neighbor Bob. Good guy telling us some stuff about the property and the neighborhood and who used to own it. And this is the Balancing Rock. Let's check it out. This could be qualified as rock mating. It almost looks like one of those heads from Easter Island.
stakes on the other side?
Well, I don't know. I haven't looked across there.
Probably is something hiding over there.
Oh, there it is. I see it.
See it? That's some property on this side of the road.
Well, I think the county road itself, well, like you said, is that county road.
So I guess what I'm gonna plan to do is make a before and after video of this property, because I was filming up here this weekend, helping my brother clean up some stuff and everything. It's really not very eye appealing right now. So probably this fall is when we're really gonna start getting things up to par up here. Anyway, I'm packing up shop, getting ready to go. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, everybody. I got a lot more adventures coming on the way. I'm living in those days of affinity, baby. Thanks for watching Chronicle Nation. See you on the next one. Peace.